In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find IDs on a Trello board in our full 2025 guide. Whether you're collaborating on a Trello board with your team or managing your personal projects, understanding how to locate the unique IDs associated with your board can be very helpful for integration, development, or API tasks. So let's dive in and take it step by step. First, we'll need to head over to Trello.com. Open your preferred web browser and go directly to the Trello website. If you haven't already signed up, or if you're new to this platform, you'll want to create an account. For those already signed up, you'll see the login option in the top right corner of your screen. Click that login button. You'll be prompted with a login page where you can enter your credentials. Now, you can log in using your email or opt for the Google account option if it's more convenient for you. Make sure to choose the method that suits you best and go ahead and sign in. Once logged in, you're directed to your Trello dashboard. From here, navigate to the boards section. This section is essentially your gateway to all your Trello boards and workspaces. It should be easy to spot as it will list all the boards you've been working on or have access to. To proceed, find the Your Workspaces section to see the boards grouped under different workspaces. Workspaces help keep boards organized, especially when you're collaborating on multiple projects or with different teams. This is a great way to keep everything neatly organized. Select the board you're interested in by clicking on it. Now you're viewing your board, which holds all the cards and lists you've arranged. The next step is a bit of a trick to get the ID of your board. Take a look at the URL in your browser's address bar at the top. You're going to modify this URL slightly by adding JSON at the end. This will allow you to view the data associated with your board in a JSON format. Once you've added JSON and hit enter, the browser will load a JSON object. This format is primarily used for transferring data, and this is where you will find all the details of your board in code form. It might look technical, but don't worry, you're looking for something specific. Scroll through this JSON code, and you should be able to find the ID field right at the top. It's labeled as ID and will be followed by a series of numbers and letters, which is your unique board ID. Go ahead and copy this ID number for your use, and there you have it. You've successfully found the ID on your Trello board, which can now be used for your specific tasks or integrations. Whether you're using this for API work or database connections, having the board ID can be a crucial piece of information. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Trello.